It's a little early, buddy. He's gonna have to wait until later tonight.